5 simple signs she never like you. If you are dating a lady and you want to know if she like you, these signs are for you. With these signs, you are going to know if that your lady, your queen, truly love you or not. So if you want to know, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end to know the 5 simple signs that will indicate if she really loves you or not. But before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men, both dating, relationship advice for both men and women. So join us by subscribing and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, it will notify you of my new upload. So if you are dating a lady and you are confused whether she like you or not, I am going to give you simple signs to show if she never like you or she loves you. But this one is mainly to indicate she never like you. So I want to let you know that there are some ladies that are pretenders. They will pretend, but inside her, she never like you. Number one sign, or number one simple sign she never like you, I want to disclose in this video is no calls. Yes, if you are dating a lady, you are the one that always call. She never for one day call you like twice in a day. That lady never like you. Yes, she don't like you, but she is pretending. Maybe she's getting money, material things from you. Run away from such a lady. Any lady that don't call you at least twice every day don't like you. But a lady that loves you will always call you, even 3 times a day. Before you sleep, she will call. That proves that she genuinely loves you. But a lady or a woman that don't love you will never call you and not even talk of texting you. So simple call is a sign she like you. No call is a sign she never like you. Number 2 is no respect. Yes, even if you order her or you authorize her to do something, she will never do it. Why? Because there is no love. She never like you. That is why she don't obey your rules and regulation. That is why she can't do anything that will make you happy as her partner or as her friend. So if a woman don't like you, she can never respect you. And you know that men love respect. Men cherish respect and they like women that obey their rules and regulations. Every man loves a woman that respects him. So a woman must respect a man because the man is the head, both in family and in relationship. The man has the power to say anything that will take place either in that marriage or in that relationship. So any lady you are dating and she can't respect your order, she can't respect your authority or carry out your verdict, that lady never like you. So be rest assured that if she don't respect you as you desire, she never like you. The best thing is to walk away from her to save your happiness and save your dignity as a man. Number 3 is no encouragement. Yes, she can't encourage you. She can't motivate you. She can't support you. These are signs that she never like you. If a woman like you, she will encourage you to do something, to get what you don't have. She will even as well support you to get what you want. She will even as well give you support financially, motivationally, in many ways to make sure that you are successful, you achieve your goal. you become who you really want. This is what a lady that loves you will do. But a lady that don't love you will never do anything that will lead for you to get success. A lady that don't love you will never help you to achieve your goal. But the one that loves you will push you to the wall of success so that you will break that wall and get what you want. So that is it. Number 4 is no compliments and praises. Yes, a lady that don't love you will never give you compliments, talk more of praising you. When a woman compliments, it shows that she loves you deeply, she cherishes you, she adores you, and she is proud of having you. A lady that loves you will always praise you to make you happy, to make you feel that you are the one in her life and she can't afford to lose you. A lady that loves you will do anything possible to make sure that you are happy with her and make things that will take your eyes off from other women. She will praise you. She will give you compliments or flatter you to always make your mind to think about her, to make you to rely on her, to do anything possible so that both of you will be together. A lady that loves you will never hurt you. She will always pet you, care for you, provide for you, and always praise you to make your head to blow. This is a sign that she loves you. But if she never compliments or praise you, it is a sign that she never like you. Number 5 and the last, which is mind-blowing. A lady that don't like you will cheat on you. Yes, why do I say this? She is pretending to like you because she is getting material things, either money, clothes, food, car, many items. That is why she is pretending. But a lady that loves you will never care of these material things, but will stick to you and never cheat. But a lady that don't like you will cheat on you because emotionally she don't accept you. She don't have feelings, but she accepted you because of material things, and she accepted you because you have the money. Yes, there are 2 reasons or 2 major reasons why some ladies date. One reason may be you have material things which you need, and the second reason why they date is because they love you. So if a lady don't like you, she will definitely cheat on you. She will do something that another man she loves will have her apart from you. She is getting material things from you and there is no feelings, but another man that she loves will be getting her body without anything. But a lady that loves you will never cheat on you. So these are the 5 simple signs indicating that she never like you, and that is what I want to disclose in this video. I hope you get value. Support this channel by subscribing. Turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new content, you will get notified of my new video. If you have questions and comments, drop it in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.